Hello everyone. If you have got a PlayStation 5 and a Samsung Odyssey G8 monitor and you want them working together perfectly, then this video is for you. So before you start, just make sure that you have the compatible HDMI 2.1 cable. So the cable is going to look something like this. So this PS5 outputs up to the 4K at high refresh rates, and the Odyssey G8 supports those signals through the right ports. So on the back of your PS5, you just have to simply find the HDMI output port. On the Odyssey G8, you just have to find the HDMI 2.1 input. Now some models have the display port, but PS5 doesn't use display ports, so you need to use HDMI. So you need to take your HDMI 2.1 cable and then you need to plug one end into the PS5's HDMI port, then another into your Samsung Odyssey G8. Just make sure that both the ends are fully seated. Now once you have done that, simply turn on your Samsung Odyssey G8 monitor using the power button on the back or the stand. You need to also turn on your PS5 with the controller or the power button. So your PS5 should automatically send the signal to your monitor. So it is going to look basically something like this. So you should see the PS5 home screen on your monitor. If the image doesn't appear, simply press the input or the source button on the monitor and select the correct HDMI port. On your PS5, you just have to go to the settings. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of screen and video. So in it, you need to choose the video output and make sure that the resolution is set to 4K if your Odyssey G8 supports it. Now you can set the HDR to on, and if you want HDR content, you can also set the 120 Hz refresh rate on if you want high refresh rate gaming. So here you will see the gaming genre mode, so you can just simply click on it and start using it right away. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.